So here is the OnePlus 12 in stunning white from all angles, and OnePlus literally went all out and made it the most powerful flagship phone. So it's coming in this red iconic box, and they are partnered with Hasselblad for tuning cameras. Now in this box we'll not just find the OnePlus 12 but also a power brick, which is something missing from Apple, Samsung and Pixel. Here's how the OnePlus 12 is gonna look in front of the OnePlus 11. So a center hole punch selfie shooter. The side, top and chin border are thinner than the one in the OnePlus 11, which is something nice. And the BOE X1 is not only better in terms of colors, sharpness, but also is a lot brighter. This is 6.82-inch Quad HD Plus panel powered with Oppo P1 display chip and features a 4500 nits of max out brightness for HDR content, and can be seen in these images even in the indoor condition. That display is looking a lot brighter than the one sitting in the left. Summing up guys, the OnePlus 12 has Qualcomm 8 Gen 3 chipset, which is powerful and power efficient. The interesting part is this silicon supports Unreal Engine 5 Lumen and got better ray tracing. So in terms of gaming, this might give it a fight to the A17 Pro. 16 gigs of base RAM, at least in China. There's 24 plus 1TB option as well for those who want the max out storage and RAM. 5400 mAh battery, 100 watts of fast charging plus 50 watts wireless charging. The rear contains 50 megapixel Sony Lytia. These are some camera samples shared by OnePlus China, and they all look great. There's 32 megapixel front facing selfie shooter, this all with an alert slider IR blaster which you can use to control television or air conditioner. There's IP54 water and dust protection with rain touch feature plus USB 3.2 Gen 1 Type-C port makes it the most powerful phone right now. So just a few days left and I have unboxing, speed test, battery test coming soon on my channel. So make sure to like, subscribe, and I'll meet you guys in the next one. Peace out.